Good morning, everybody. How are you all doing? It's just me here today. It's so strange when you go from a Friday when there's so many people here and then suddenly you're all by yourself. Anyway, the stairs are in, and that is an excellent thing. I'm very, very happy. I want to put a quick shout out to stairbox.co.uk. That's where we got these from, and those guys gave us a cheeky discount. Thanks, guys, much appreciated. I need to protect the steps before I go up and down them too much. So today what I'm going to do is I am going to turn my attention to putting the insulated panels all the way up through here. I've just spent a few minutes working out which way to do them because they're 1.2 meters by 1 meters, and it's going to work out better if we go 1.2 meters across and 1 meters up. And when we get to the top, we'll have some cuts to make, and then we should get 3 cuts out of a 1.2. So that's very, very efficient. No wastage. We like no wastage when this stuff is so expensive. That's annoying. This is why you leave things on for a test. Let me show you. So it is ever so slightly, but still no good, wet here. And I am certain that this is not because of anything rising. This is because of the connection here. There's something amiss with it. There we go. It's wet. So we need to find out where it's leaking. Let's have a look and see. Can't find anything, which is frustrating. I don't think it's coming out the top one because it's completely dry around there. There we go. Giving it a wiggle, and we've got a bit of wetness here. So the problem exists there. Now we get to turn off the water, and we can open up the end on the other side of the wall there, let the pressure out, take it apart, see what's gone on. There's the pressure. The rubber O-ring is intact in there. That could be the problem there. Not a very straight cut. Let's go and switch the water back on, see what we've won. So I've left the tap open at the far end. That way we should be able to purge all of the air in the pipe. Okay. Now we get to look inside and check for leaks again. Fingers crossed, eh? Right. Are we dry? We seem to be. There we go. Looks like that was the culprit then. Make sure when you cut your water main, it's cut straight. La 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 la. Okay, I'm going to clear out this and I'm finally going to actually fit some insulation. Right, one more thing to do, and that is to repair a little hole in the membrane. So I've just cut a little piece here to cover that. Can you see that there? So I put a load of bitumen silicone on there and then tape it up, and then the insulation is going to go up against there, but I'll put a bit of foam around there at the same time. Messy. Lionel. That is the second row complete, all the way through. For the third row of insulation, we're going to stop again 100 millimeters beyond to create like a continuous layer. But we're going to need to put a bit of timber right at the top to allow us to then take the fourth course all the way through. Right, if that sits on there, 120, that's perfect. Cool. Well, that was interesting. That's it for today. It's way past 7 and I need to go home. Tomorrow I'm driving to Caen and I am going to go and pick up sliding door gear for downstairs and upstairs and all sorts of other things. So yeah, like, subscribe, hype, and think about joining our Patreon or the YouTube membership thing, you know, whatever you fancy. Anyway, see you guys next time. Bye-bye.